What's up, everybody? We back with 2 boxes of these 2017 and 18 NBA Status cards. Last two we got a Karl Malone auto. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. So with that being said, I look like a complete idiot here trying to open this and it won't even open. What the crap? Get in there, come on. I should have opened all this before I even started the video. Forgive my voice. A little under the weather here. I don't know what's wrong with me. I got, alright guys. I'm going ahead and bust all this off. Can't do that with those gloves on. These cards are very, very shiny, and they hold fingerprints like I ain't never seen. Man, do they show them fingerprints. Forgive my little puppy. She's outside the door. She won't see them. She's barking. As I said, last box we had Karl Malone auto card. Very nice too. So with that being said, we're gonna jump right into this. See if we can get this glove back on. Cause these bad boys is some kind of, they ain't so glossy, but it's man, when you get through looking at them, it's something now. The fingerprints everywhere will be on them. So yeah, let's do this. 2 minutes in so far with nothing to show for it. Alright, y'all just stay with me. Just stay with me. Just stay with me. Alright, boys, here we go. My voice is all messed up, so I'm not going to be saying too much, so. Come on. Don't do that. Very nice. Look at there. Look at that. Very sweet. Very sweet. LeBron James. Tell you what, I just about got everybody I need out of this set. Just with a handful of others, you know. Just a small handful of others, Chris Paul. And I'll have everybody I need out of this set. Okay, now this right here is going to be the 4 exclusive Foundation parallels. Very nice. Dennis Smith Jr. Sweet. Tim Hardaway Jr. James Ferguson. Sweet. Jared Allen. That's very nice. Look at that. Very nice. I know y'all see what I see. I know y'all see what I see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And Smith Jr. Alright, we're going to have to penny sleeve every one of these as soon as this video is over, because these bad boys are known for holding them fingerprints. I don't know how many times I can say that. And you got to drill that in y'all's head, man. If you buy these cards and you're just looking at them and looking at them and looking at them and flipping through them, you ain't even got to hold it to the light. You're going to see it. It's going to be shining at you. Them fingerprints are crazy. Alright, let's keep on going. Draymond. Sweet. There you go. Vince Carter. Jimmy Butler. Nice. I'm gonna Ben Simmons, remind y'all that I ain't saying that much because my throat's been real bad sore. I've been coughing all day long. Been eating cough drops like it's candy. I'm doped up on so much medicine right now. I don't know which way's up. I don't know whether to scratch my watch or to wind my ass. John Wall. Andrew Wiggins. Seth Curry. Alright, now these are those parallels again. Terrence Ferguson. Alright. What are we about to come up on here? Sweet. This usually is where that auto would lay with all these, so I reckon we ain't got nothing. Big Dirk Nowitzki. I reckon we ain't got nothing like that this time. Josh Hart. Jordan Bell. Justin Jackson. Alright guys, well we rounding this video up, so we're gonna Tony Bradley. Hope you like the videos. Like, subscribe, comment down there. Let me know you was here, guys. I'm gonna go get in bed. I feel horrible. Alright guys, that's it. We hit the rookie credentials with the Alonzo Ball. Yeah, that's it for sure.